Ivy. We are at Paultons Park for the first time in 2020, so first time with my new phone, and we are just about to go and visit to look at the new Tornado Springs that is going to be opening in May 2020, and I think they said they're going to be hoping to open it on the May 20th.
You love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
For my birthday, for my dad, I'm asking for a season ticket again. And the funny part is that my season ticket runs out on the 24th of May, and they said they're going to be hoping to open the Tornado Springs on the 20th of May, so yeah. So, first thing that we're going to do is going to be try at least to look at Tornado Springs, and then go my favourite roller coasters, like the yellow one. So yeah, see you there, bye. We are now in the Paultons Park cafe. We're all in, as you can see, nice little cafe. Got a bit of orange, I couldn't see my dad. But yeah, we're just gonna see Tornado Springs. Look, we are in the outside. So yeah, just walking to Tornado Springs. That guy is my dad. So I'll show you all the things. First aid or lost children. That place, never been in there actually. Worker who works here. The music. Oh, the 4D cinema. We love the 4D cinema. The 4D cinema is just here. Quite a long way away actually. There's a restaurant, I think. Oh, we're in the wildlife park. And people, loads of children. Quite excited. Oh, we're coming up. The cute little deers. Now, this is coming up. It's there. The magical Tornado Springs. That's the roller coaster that I'm most excited for. So I'm really excited. So yeah, bye. This is the view of the ride that I am most excited about to go on in May. So yeah. So we are actually walking in to the proper ride. We were just showing you the Tornado Springs, as you just saw. Bit muddy. Mum's gonna get mad at me to get my vans dirty. So Paultons Park is a really fun place to go with family, friends, and I have a season ticket. And so does sorry about that, I can't just my arms aching. So it's a really good place to go with family, friends, and when you're a bit older, on your own. So yeah, it's a really nice place. I really like it, like nice view, a very nice view. So it's gonna be quite a fun rest of the day. Chinese Thailand den thing is really cute. I actually love it here. You can have little parties, like eat some food on here and stuff. Big thing. So yeah, we're gonna go over there. My favourite ride. Hi again, it's me, Ivy. We're actually just about to enter. We're not in it, but we're about to enter the Lost Kingdom in Paultons Park, and that roller coaster over there. It is very fun. That's when I literally had a panic attack. A good one, not a bad one, a good one. It was the first ever time I went to Paultons Park, I'm scared because I have to give my phone in.
You haven't given your phone to anyone since you've had it, really, have you? Where do we have to put it?
Pockets must be empty.
Things.
In the
People
locker.
can put their hands in.
How do you feel, Ivy?
Oh, we need to like 2 hours.
Pardon?
We need to wait. I want to do only around. Hi, we are waiting for the ride. We were a bit further forward. We still are, but we really wanted to get the fun, so we decided let's let them go, and then we're gonna get in the fun. It's really fun, the ledge one. Sadly, we can't film it, but yeah, it's gonna go. Like, we've just been on
How did it feel?
Trial Pterosaur. It was so funny. I've not been on it for ages. So, oh my god, so scared. So it was a bit creepy. You've not been on it like a billion times. I want to see my photo. My photo.
Are we not allowed to film them, are we?
Hi again. Again, we're about to go on this side. Dad, we're going on this one. That one. This ride, we're going on it. It's really quiet, so I'm really excited. But we are not allowed to film. So that's one of my things. I was down at me, but I was like that with people. Yeah, so yeah. Stay tuned for my reaction when I get off. There's no queue! Hi, it's me again. We've just been on 2 rides, but we both went on them 3 times. So we've been on the roller coaster 6 times today, and I'm sure in the summer you will see more of these videos just like this at theme park, and especially Paultons Park. So yeah, please can you click the subscribe button and smash that like button. So yeah, bye!
Love me, love me, love me.